Alright, so guys, we are few away from the Galaxy Note 20 Unpacked event, but everything about the Note 20 Ultra has been leaked. First up, Evan Blass shared this official 360 look of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, showcasing the device in majestic browns from many angles. As you guys can see, the curved edges are similar to Note 10 Plus, which will make it look aesthetically good. Now coming to the interesting part. A detailed official spec list of the Note 20 Ultra has been leaked, which showed the handset will offer many firsts in the smartphone world. First up, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be the first handset to offer the Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Corning hasn't put out any info about the Gorilla Glass 7, but it will be stronger than its predecessor. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will also be the first handset to offer the UFS 3.1 storage. It is 3 times faster than UFS 3.0 storage found on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, while the latency of the S Pencil is now 9 ms, exactly like the Apple Pencil, making it the fastest stylus on the planet. Also, the spec list confirms the variable refresh rate display, aka the LTPO display. The screen size is 6.9-inch QHD Plus with 120Hz screen refresh rate and the aspect ratio of 19.39. They didn't mention whether or not the 120Hz work at the maximum resolution, but if the rumor are to believe, it won't. Finally, it confirms the processor to be used in Europe, and it is the same old Exynos 990. What's even worse is they haven't overclocked its, meaning it can reach up to 2.7 GHz of speed. In comparison, it is counterpart the Snapdragon 865 Plus can reach up to 3.1 GHz of speed. There will surely be performance disparity between these two variants, but how much exactly we will know after the Unpacked event. Either way, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.